In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter of your Honda Civic. So that is the engine air filter, and the process is mostly similar for the Honda Civic. So this looks like here. This is what your engine air filter looks like, and this is for Honda Civic 2019. So you just check your model before you buy this one, and then you can replace it. For 2019 model, it's 12051. That is the model number for this. So let's replace it. First we will open the hood, and this is also the part of the air filter. So you can just clean all this area, and to open it there is a clip on the side, so you just press it on each side, and then you have to lift it up. Try to open it, just try to pull it and it will open. So you'll see the upper side is clean. It looks like the filter is really clean, but when you look inside and the bottom, you will see how black is that. So this is our old air filter, and this is the new air filter. So clean this area. So here we can see the difference between the new and the old air filter. So that's a big difference. So we'll just throw this one away. Also use some cleaning liquid if you see some dirt is still there, so that it cleans properly. Now open this and place your new air filter. Just place it like it was placed before, and then we can lock it. Thanks for watching.